It's as if everyone has been waiting for me. A while before would have been so soon. Tomorrow would have been so late. Therefore, I have arrived at the right moment. Cameras on us internally, they're waiting for my English.
Thank you so much. Remains memorable for quite a number of years. My name is Farida, Nakazibwe. I am the founder for the Smile Nakazibwe Foundation. It's not been here for so long, at least not officially. With me are people who will be working with and our very good sponsors. I'm sure you're wondering why we have quite a number of media houses in the house. Yet some people think they should be rivals. No, this is a national cause that everybody thinks they can be a part. I think it is important that we start with a prayer, and I offer myself to lead the prayer. Oh dear Lord, we come before you today with our plans. First, we thank you for this day, and we thank you for this plan, and ensuring that this plan is started by us, and maybe not anybody else, based on a particular mind you chose us to be the ambassadors of this. We pray for this day and hope that deliberations go on well, and eventually when we finally go to the detail, it also goes well. We hope that when the media people who are before us go back, they report exactly what we said and push until we see all this through. We say all this in the mighty name of God.
We definitely have to do with them. So that is why we are there, and we are fully in to make sure that we use our fan base to push this fete down in Masaka. And also here, because like we all know, we have a big business team from Masaka that are working in Kampala. So when we go to the 17th of September, when we have when we have the fete in Kampala, definitely they are the people that do with us business. So we are just also having an opportunity to meet our customers, to meet our listeners, and to meet our friends. So definitely you have to be in, because we also get a chance to meet our people, exchange a lot, and also maybe to get more business.
The business, we're very excited, we're very proud, and most loved to work with Farida and her employees. And just like we go by the very big mantra of we celebrate life every day, everywhere, and big on occasions, that leads to partnerships. We decided to get on board with a good cause, especially that we're looking at doing in Greater Masaka Fete, looking around working with the environment on the big cause of garbage that they have already clearly called out. And we are part of the bigger picture, especially when we come to Uganda and Uganda, way back from the partnerships that we have had with the Uganda Kingdom, with a brand called Ngule or Wafe. So this is a moment that we could not really stay away with, but we had to join. And because we have been big on supporting environment and giving it back through the tree plantations, the water sources that we've been working around and ensuring that the environment is healthy. This is a big honor, and this is something that we're really excited to support and try and push forward. So on this occasion, we do not want to look at something that as big as this, and we're not proud or available to be partners, but as something that we can keep on pushing. And from UBL Farida, we'll keep pushing you, and as much as you want, come this year, next year, and probably 5 years to come, and we'll still be proud sponsors of this whole.
It's as if everyone has been waiting for me. A while before would have been so soon. Tomorrow would have been so late. Therefore, I have arrived at the right moment. Cameras on us internally, they're waiting for my English. Very glad to associate with Farida's cause. Everyone knows Farida's cause this time affects the audience. We do what? We serve. We could not hesitate giving her our power. We promise to give her whatever we can to see the success of the event. Thank you, guys.